Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to get your Firebase API key step by step. So first things first, head over to Firebase and log in with your Google account. And once you're logged in, you want to click on create a project, this one. Then from here, you want to enter your project name. Click on the I accept the terms. Click on continue. Just keep on clicking continue. Then from here, you want to accept the terms once again. Then click create project. Once you do that, it might take a few seconds. All right, but once done, just click on continue. Wait for this one. All right. All right, now that your project is ready, you want to click on add app. Then from here, you want to choose a platform you're using. For this example, let me go ahead and choose web. Then let's register an app name. So let's try to do this. Accept the term. Click on register app. Wait for a bit. Then just click on next, next, and once done, finally click on continue to console. All right, let's wait for this a bit. There we go. Now, here's where you find the API key. On the left side, you want to click the cogwheel or gear icon, this one. Then you want to select project settings. From here, you want to scroll down to your apps section, this one. Now scroll down to the, since you added a web app, make sure you're under the web app details, right? And then scroll down to SDK setup and configuration, this one right over here. And right here, you also see your Firebase API key, this one. That's it. That's exactly how you get your Firebase API key in just a few minutes. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.